Today, we're comparing the Vivo Y31 and the newer Y31T. Let's see how they differ in design and overall style. Starting with design, the Y31 features a slim 8.4mm body and a clean, stylish finish. The Y31T keeps a similarly sleek profile while bringing its own fresh look and color options. Both the Vivo Y31 and Y31T feature a durable frame with a modern smartphone design. For SIM support, both phones offer dual SIM connectivity, making them convenient for users who need two numbers for work and personal use. For the display, both the Vivo Y31 and Y31T feature IPS LCD panels with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 720 by 1608 pixel resolution. The Y31 measures 6.68 inches, while the Y31T is slightly larger at 6.75 inches. Both offer smooth scrolling and responsive touch, making them suitable for everyday browsing, social media, and video streaming. Both phones offer a durable build with display protection against everyday scratches and wear. On the software side, the Vivo Y31 5G runs Android 15 with FrontOutch OS 15, while the Y31T runs Android 16 with Origin OS 6. Both are powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, paired with the Adreno 613 GPU. The Y31 comes in multiple RAM and storage configurations depending on the region, while the Y31T offers 4GB or 6GB RAM with 128GB or 256GB storage. This combination provides smooth performance for everyday apps, multitasking, social media, and casual gaming. Storage options also give users flexibility to choose the configuration that best fits their needs. It also delivers a good balance of speed and efficiency for everyday smartphone use. For cameras, both feature a 50MP main camera for detailed everyday photos. They also include a 2MP secondary camera and an 8MP front camera for selfies and video calls. Overall, both phones offer a capable camera setup for everyday photography and social media. For connectivity, both the Vivo Y31 and Y31T support 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB Type-C. They also provide reliable connections for fast internet, wireless accessories, navigation, and everyday file transfers. For battery, the Vivo Y31 packs a 6500 mAh battery, while the Y31T comes with a larger 7200 mAh battery. Both are designed for long-lasting daily use. The pricing of the Vivo Y31 and Y31T can vary depending on the region, storage configuration, and local market. Overall, the Vivo Y31 and Y31T are both solid budget-friendly smartphones. The Y31T stands out with its larger 6.75-inch display and bigger 7000 mAh battery, while the Y31 offers a slightly more compact design. Your final choice depends on your priorities and local pricing.